Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn off the VoiceOver on the Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, now, as you can hear,
widgets, watch face.
We have the VoiceOver on the Apple Watch. And if you want to turn it off, you need to get to the settings. So you want to click the digital crown once to get to the apps frame.
Apps, settings.
And now you just need to click twice, because when the VoiceOver is on, you need to click twice to get into something, because if you click once,
activity,
the VoiceOver is going to tell you on what you have just clicked. So you want to go press on the settings and tap twice,
settings.
and now you want to scroll down a little bit to find the accessibility. So again, click twice, and now you want to click on the VoiceOver.
VoiceOver on.
So just click twice.
VoiceOver on. VoiceOver switch button on.
And
double tap to toggle setting.
as you could hear, we just need to double tap on the VoiceOver switch button right here to turn it off. So
VoiceOver off.
as you could hear, now the VoiceOver is off, and we can use our Apple Watch without the VoiceOver. So this is how you turn off the VoiceOver on the Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.